Many websites today provide learning materials through streaming videos, but what if you want to watch them offline? In this video, I will guide you through a simple method to download embedded videos from websites for offline viewing. This can be helpful for personal learning, especially when you don't have a constant internet access. Please note that this method won't work on the platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, or YouTube. Each site has its own security measures, and this technique won't bypass those. And here is the important notice. This video is made for educational purposes only. Please use this method ethically and responsibly. Download content only when you are allowed and avoid sharing or misusing copyrighted material. I searched for various methods on the internet to download videos, but I found this method the most stable one. You have to go to developer tool of your browser. Any browser you have, this will work either in Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, or the Google Chrome. In today's demo, we will be going to use Microsoft Learn website to download videos, which is a free and interactive learning platform that have a lot of learning videos. So at Microsoft Learn website, let's go to the show section to find the most suitable video that we want to download today. Let's browse all shows and events. Scroll down and here we want to go to AI show and let's play any of them. Okay.
You're not going to want to miss this episode of the AI Show where we talk all about boosting Phi3's language capabilities with Azure AI Translator with my friend.
Okay, while this is playing, we have to navigate to developer tool. There are multiple ways to get to developer tools in your browser. Let's go to the most simplest one. In your browser, you could go to these three dots and here, then go to more tools and you will find the option developer tools. You can get to developer tool by pressing Ctrl Shift and I. When you will open a developer tool, this will take you directly to the element tabs and here we want to go to network. Once we are in network, we want to go and click on the filter tab. After clicking on the network tab, you have to monitor the files that are coming up here. Let's go ahead and play the video again. Let's go ahead and change the position of developer tool like this. Perfect. You will be going to see that MP4 files are coming up here. I want to go to size because I want to sort these files by size. And you can see when I sorted files with the size that is getting on the top or the MP4 files of the videos that are coming up. So now let's go ahead and select the latest MP4 file and under the header we are going to see the request URL of this MP4 file. Select this URL and right click on it to go to HTTPS video page. Now you can see I got their specific video without an audio. This is because of partial content, not the full content. That means that video and audio file are in different chunks. We have to download them separately. But now the question is how we will find an audio file. Let's go back and we could see here that 320 into 180 resolution of file here and this could be 100% an audio file. So let's select this. Again, we want to select this link, right click and then go to this link in the separate tab.
You're not going to want to miss this episode of the AI Show where we talk all about boosting Phi3's language capabilities with Azure AI Translator.
That's perfect. Now we got both audio and video file. On audio files, just go ahead and click on these three dots and click on download. I want to name it video download and here I have downloaded an audio file. Let's go ahead and do the same with the video file. So don't get worried and stay with me because I am going to show you how to merge an audio and video file together. Once your video and audio files are downloaded, please go ahead and download VLC Media Player from the web and get it installed on your computer. Once installation is completed, go ahead and open VLC Media Player. In your VLC Media Player, go to Media and here go to the option Convert and Save. In Convert and Save, here we want to upload our video file first. Let's select the video file. Now click on Show More option. Click on Play Another Media Synchronously and click on Browse. Here we are going to select our audio file. Now we are ready to click on Convert and Save. Under these options, just make sure that this option is selected, that is MP4 file. And here, just go ahead and browse the destination folder on the desktop. We want to create a folder that named Video Files Sync. That's fine. And click on Save. Now we are ready for this conversion. Here you will see the process of VLC Media Player that started merging both audios and videos file and will give us the finalized results. The conversion is completed. Now let's go ahead and close this VLC Media Player and we want to go to this folder and we want to see the results. Open with VLC Media Player.
AI show where we talk all about boosting Phi3's language capabilities with Azure AI Translator with my friend Mohammed. Make sure you tune in.
So that's it. We got the perfect result. Don't forget to subscribe ITeePK and see you in the next one. Bye.